Okay guys, this video is how to remove the rear door panels of your 4Runner. Very similar to the front. The only difference is the light down here does not have a plug. It's all plugged in just right up here. So the door handle and lock is the exact same, and the 3 screws are basically in the same placement, and obviously you don't have the mirror cap on this one. Those are your 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Just take your Phillips screwdriver now. So just like the front door, start with the bottom. I'm going to start over where the speaker's at because it kind of has like a little lip over here. Oh, yeah. And just follow it up. Okay, if you hear those tabs drop, just make sure you keep an eye on them. So just grab it by the handle right here. Just kind of wiggle it up. Be careful of your windows if you have window tint. And then the door's free. And now again, you're faced with an electrical connector. You just pop off. So that's off. And then you also have the door handle and your lock. Now the lock one, the top one, the white one, you want to be very careful with because it's a hard wire. Just kind of pull it out of its place. You can move the door lock around, but make sure you just don't bend this wire. The green one, remember, that's in the bottom, is for your door handle, so you can move the handle around if you need to pop it out of place, and then the little ball comes up. I have a more zoomed in video of that on the front door, but you just want to be very careful with it. And again, all the white tabs that are still in your door, which actually we got them all out, they're these little white tabs. Just make sure that you put them back into place with your door. Alright, now coming back to the back door again. So make sure you have all your little white tabs along it. Go ahead and plug in your harness, which it's only one. Now forewarning, this back door on the passenger side was the biggest pain in the butt for me. So let's see if I learned anything. Go ahead and connect your harness back up. Again, listen for... So with these white and green ones, make sure you hear this click. Make sure it's fully seated. Plug in the door handle. Again, make sure you hear it click. I don't know if you could hear that. You just want to start with the top again because there's this little channel right here. Okay, and here's that door, guys. Don't be afraid to use this screw to kind of like bring it in. That's what I had to do. Just patience. You want to kind of set it in right here. Use your eyes, look into here to make sure that that clamp is on it, and just kind of press them both down. Try to get the center as close center as possible, and then just start popping in all the clamps. This door on both sides is probably the hardest thing to put back on when you're completing this install. So if this video was helpful for you guys, I will hang out in the comments if it was not, but I cannot magically be there to help you all. Go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you later.